I want to show you how to paint this girl who I met in front of the Accademia gallery in Florence. Please come to join me on Patreon. I've been working on a watercolor book, The Simplest Way to Watercolor. A simple watercolor painting method, only the 3 primary colors, and the relaxing watercolor process is now available for you to download at yongchen.gumroad.com. I will continue to expand this book. Thank you for your continued support of my teaching and sharing. Where you're going to put the top of the head? Put the finger over here for bottom of the face. Just make a little orange color. And that's the chin. And then we're going to measure between the width and the height of the face. This is the whole height of the face from the top to the bottom. This is inside the face. The width of the face, 3 out of 5 of the height of the face. Now I'm going to divide it into 5. Take out the 3. 1, 2, 3. Take the 3. This is very much the middle over here. So very much right. Double check on that is very, very crucial and important. The rest will become a lot easier. Now I'm going to continue to mix a little bit orange color. The shadow side on the neck coming down. Keep coming down over here. Now I'm going to take a look at the face, the nose over here. This is the eyebrow over here. That's the nose. It's important to see that just the shadow shape. You see that the shadow side over here? Just pay attention to the shadow. Right, that can go all the way down to the neck. And on this side, there is also shadow. I get a little bit cooler color first on the shoulder area. I'm going to start over here. Take a little bit red in here. That's good. I'll take a look at right in here, right? This is a little bit cooler, just the red. But mix the color, wet into wet. Like that. Nice. Coming down over here, and we're going to stop right here. Now I'm going to get a little bit tiny more water. Okay, then over here. You see, I'm only looking for the shadow side right here. That's good. Like that. That's beautiful shape over there. Just use the water to lead that a little bit soft transition. Now I'm going to clean the brush. All I need to do to soften this area, because that is a little bit transition. Okay, that's good. I only need to look for the red, blue, and yellow, right? So like over here, I see that how much red, how much blue, how much yellow should be there. A little bit lower, have a little bit more warmer. So I'm going to have a little bit yellow and the red, right? So you can think about, oh, the bottom over here looks a little bit more orange in this color. So that make it easier. So that means a little bit more red, a little bit more yellow. Like that. Set a little color to the back. So just the orange. It's important that we don't get distracted by the object, but more focusing on the color and the value. Okay, this is good. Like that. And come a little bit color on this side. Now I'm going to clean the brush. Now here you go. I'm going to soften the edge a little bit over here. That's that. Simple. Soften that a little bit. When you come over here, we're going to get away from the person. Now is the time to start the real painting. So far, I can call it just a drawing. Just have a little bit orange, light orange color, because of the light shine on it. It's always look a bit orange color. Okay, that's good. I'm going to put that. Take a look at on this side. What is the color of the skin tone? There's always trouble, people. Just the red color. Maybe a little bit tiny yellow, but this is mostly red. Just going to take a look. That's good. Look at where's the highlight. The only thing you need to do is to leave the highlight alone. Alright, this is pretty good. Now what we're going to do is just take the water, softly connect that over. That's good. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to set that color in. What color is that? Start a little bit more brownish color, right? This is too strong, definitely, right? So I'm going to have a little bit blue mixed into it. That's pretty good already. So we want to have a little bit shape right in here, like that. You can use the calligraphy brush or the flat brush to do this. This is a very small area. It's okay. So I'm gonna have that, wet it first. And the inside, I'm gonna have a little bit brownish color. It's going to softly blend the color around, like that. Let me say, join our Enjoying Art community on Patreon. This summer, we are planning an in-person gathering. You can paint alongside with like-minded members who are using the same painting method and process, and participate in the critiques and sharing sections. It's a wonderful opportunity to connect, learn, and grow together. I would love for you to be part of it. Your support means so much. Join us today. Okay, like that. If the texture bothering you, you can just use the brush with the water and soften it. I'm going to take a little bit orange with more yellow and red. Okay. Now I'm going to come here. This is the big and important shape. Okay, here you go. Like that. See, don't look at the eye. And just look for the whole shape. Now continue. Coming down. Okay, that's good. Now I have a little bit more red on the cheek. The cheek always appear a little bit more red. That's good. And coming down here, and you're searching for the color. That's only how much red over there, how much blue over there. Okay, that's good. Now when you go around, now you can see it turned a little bit more blue. Okay, got a little bit more tiny blue. Gonna mix the blue in here. Also need to be a little bit darker. That's good. Now it's under the nose. Now so consider the small shape inside the larger shape. And here you go. Connect that over. Okay, that's good. Really good. But don't go too fast. Okay, because right over here, and we can turn into a little bit blue already. Right here. You see that that's way into wet and connect that together. Let's paint the arm, okay? And just the red and orange color, right? We already know that. It's basically red and yellow color. Okay, right here. Can you see it? Right here, like that. That's good. Just the same thing we paint the back over here. Leave the middle a little bit lighter, like that. And here you go. And more red. You can see it. It's more red coming down here. Okay. And now on this side, a little bit more orange color. Okay, here we go. A little bit more orange on this side. Okay, that's good. And the top over here, a little bit orange color. And not much orange, actually more of the red. Okay, here you go. More of the red, more lighter. Okay, coming all the way. Now, we need to use the soft, a little bit wet. Now, softly making that soft transition. That's good. Now we have a lot of things to do on the face. Now let's take a look. We're going to put a little red, come back to here. Oh, this is perfect color. You see, just add a little bit red. Now take a look at right here. That's good. Okay, that's good. Like that. Now I'm going to add a little bit yellow into here. It's good. If you want to be lighter, just tap a little bit tiny more water. That's good. Okay. Let's see. See the left side and the right side. It's very much good. Like that. And if you pay attention to inside the eye, there's always a lot of things inside there. Okay. If you ignore it, everything will be fine. Okay, like that. That's good. Now I'm gonna come back just a little bit later, coming over here. You can see now, see the upper eyelid over here. There's a little bit detail, but we come back to do a little bit more. Okay, not the time yet. So, okay, we can have a little bit lighter the top over here. You can throw a little bit blue color in there too. Okay, that's good. Put a little bit blue color. That's good. Now on this side, a bit softer. Yeah, that's good. All right, pretty good. Come in. All right, now I'm going to take a look at the nose over here. Have a little bit tiny, just more like an orange color on the smiley line area. So it's just, that's good. That's already good. Just put that right there. It's good. Perfect. Already. Maybe time to put a little color to the nose. Okay, I'm going to start from here. This a little bit softer. See that? That's good. Okay. And then we're going to set a little bit red color for the upper lip of the mouth. Just a little bit. Tiny. Okay, this is good. Look at it. Like that. Like that, this is good. On the other side. Not the whole thing red, just the upper lip right over there. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Look at it. And I'm going to have a little bit darker color. Take a look. Whoa. Right in here. Where's the corner? Right there. Look again. Okay, that's good. Maybe a bit higher. That's good. Like that. Okay, that's good. Perfect. You have to have this shape right over here to show the tone. Just from here turning. Okay, there's a little bit small triangle. I'm gonna have a little bit water. This is good. Alright, now this shape is very important. This shape is like this. That's good. Beautiful. Like that. Right here. There you go. Like that. Now maybe a good time to get into the eye. It will be simple. There's not much in the eye. We already create the form. So now take a look at. You see, you thought the eye whites is very light, usually. They are not actually light. Well, the eye is there. That over here. A little bit lighter blue color. Okay, the iris. A little bit tiny shape. Okay, like that.